Vicksburg Animal Shelter has been forced to close their doors temporarily. The shelter is under quarantine due to the spread of kennel cough. WJTV 12's Margaret Ann Carter spoke with the local vet about this highly contagious virus. Margaret Ann?
Melanie, on May 14th, the shelter announced they'd be closing for a minimum of 2 weeks, meaning they won't be able to take any animals in or adopt any animals out, as they err on the side of a caution.
Yeah, I'm very worried about that.
Treatable yet extremely contagious. Kennel cough spreads like wildfire once it enters an environment with a lot of dogs.
In a shelter situation, a lot of times the animals are brought in, you don't have a history of what they've been vaccinated for.
Often, once a dog starts showing symptoms, it's too late to stop what's already begun. At that point, it becomes more about treating the animals that have it and making sure it doesn't go any further.
Very rigorous cleaning. The good news is that it's fairly self-limiting in most cases as far as the disease. Symptoms may last for 10 days to 3 weeks.
Dr. Troy Major says there are different strains of what is commonly called kennel cough.
Make sure your dog has been vaccinated, but also realize that different strains may override that and you may still have a possibility of infection. I would be careful around any dogs that you don't know.
The shelter isn't the only area off limits. The city's dog park near the airport on US 61 South was closed as well. Vicksburg dog owners are taking extra precautions.
Obviously, she shut down the shelter because you don't want to spread it. So if there's a lot of stray dogs that run around that aren't vaccinated at all, so that's already an issue.
Gina Hendrickson commends the shelter's director for being cautious during this time.
Obviously, we want them to be adopted, and she loves taking them in and taking care of them, which is great. So she's kind of sad that she can't do that right now, but it's always better safe than sorry.
And there's no exact date on when the shelter will reopen, but the shelter's director says they could be closed for up to 6 weeks in order to make sure the virus is completely gone. Byron?